Imran from Car Sound Security here. Just finished installing a Ghost Immobiliser on this Mercedes GLC 2016 plate. Let me demonstrate how it works. Let's just get in the vehicle. So this is another push button start. You've got the push button just here. Let's jump in. I'm going to attempt to start the vehicle now. So let's put my foot on the brake and start the car. Won't start as the Ghost is blocking it from starting. So now how we would start this vehicle is by pressing a sequence of buttons. I've set out a demo button, which is this one here. Let's enter it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the high beams to flash twice. 1, 2. Put my foot on the brake and start the car. There we go, ready to drive. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in getting this done on your vehicle, please feel free to give us a call.